my second time ever putting on a pillowcase, so let's see how this is.
In your entire life?
At this clinic.
Must be nice. Just kidding. What are you guys doing right now?
We're preparing the cart with all of the cleaning supplies and things that we'll need to restock the rooms with, so then it can be more efficient. We'll just take it with us with this paper that we use to check off each room's like what they need to be refilled.
Very efficient, guys. Let's do this.
Alright. Gowns, pillowcases, just in case the bed paper is low. Alright, let's go. Looks like we can fill up some cotton in here.
Then what are you filling up in there? That's just
Yeah, this is disinfectant.
okay.
Paper, just check here. Yep, looks like the roll is full. Lots of paper goods stocked already. Alcohol is full,
Perfect.
pretty much.
Pretty much.
Don't want to overfill those, they will spill out the sides.
Uh-huh.
Clean up anything that goes on the floor. Make sure there's some more gowns for the faculty rooms. Check everything off our list. And the shirts container, always check that. Yep, that one's good. I think the floor's pretty good. Alright, all done with this room. Actually, my second time ever putting on a pillowcase, so let's see how this is.
In your entire life?
At this clinic, paper pillowcases.
Must be nice.
I actually have someone for that, the pillowcase.
You have that and the fluffer and all that.
Right? Looks a little rough. The pillowcase master.
Each side is head.
Yeah, good question. All right.
Okay.